Patent litigation specialists versus patent licensing consultants. Which one is better for monetizing intellectual property? Monetizing intellectual property is often more complicated than inventors realize. Most people get this wrong by thinking a single approach will maximize revenue. The surprising truth is that choosing the right type of patent professional can completely change your IP strategy. Patent litigation specialists focus on enforcing patent rights through legal action. If a competitor is using your patented technology without permission, these specialists handle infringement cases, damages claims, and court proceedings. For example, a tech startup with a critical software patent may use litigation specialists to stop unauthorized copying and secure licensing fees or settlements. While this approach can be lucrative, it's often costly, time-consuming, and uncertain. Winning a lawsuit is never guaranteed. Patent licensing consultants, on the other hand, focus on proactive monetization. They identify market opportunities, negotiate licensing deals, and structure royalty agreements. For instance, a medical device company could license its patented technology to multiple manufacturers worldwide, generating consistent revenue without going to court. Licensing consultants excel at strategic planning, maximizing the commercial potential of patents and creating scalable income streams. The key difference is enforcement versus strategy. Litigation specialists protect and defend IP, while licensing consultants unlock revenue opportunities. Most successful IP owners combine both approaches. Licensing deals generate steady income, while litigation ensures that infringers are deterred and rights remain enforceable. The takeaway is clear: relying solely on litigation may expose your business to risk and high legal fees, while using only licensing strategies could allow infringement to go unchecked. The surprising truth is that a hybrid approach, strategic licensing supported by targeted enforcement, offers both revenue growth and protection. By understanding the strengths of each, owners can confidently monetize their inventions, safeguard their rights, and turn intellectual property into a sustainable business asset.